Hello, Salam alaikum everyone.
Well,
Aywa,
how are you?
I'm good.
Good.
Yes, I'm making video about
Alhamdulillah.
cricket, Kalibr cricket. I'm going to give you 2 tips, especially to those who are new users. First, have you ever experienced this magazine jam like this? So the magazine is only half turning. So I'm going to show you how to avoid it. See? Look carefully. Okay, so the second tip that I'm going to share with you is the proper disassembly for this gun in preparation of cleaning. ممكن كلام عربي مظبوط.
اوكي ما في مشكلة. السلام عليكم. هو راح يعلمكم الحين الطريقة الصحيحة للفك الكريكت عشان تقدر تنظفها بالطريقة الصحيحة. راح يعلمكم طريقة الفك الصحيحة للكريكت.
Okay. Okay. So, let's begin. Okay, as you can see, there's a screw inside the box. This one is to hold the barrel. Agas maraga emsig sa batana. So, okay, paano? I speak Arabic. Shwaya. Okay, then next is loosening these 4 screws. Okay. Remove using now let's remove the barrel. See, it's easy to remove the barrel. And then you can remove this one, and now you can clean your gun. See, now clean your gun. So here's the mistake that most people do when they are disassembling the air gun. They immediately remove the stock screw, and then removing the trigger connector. Okay, then the screw of the cylinder, and Picatinny, the rail. Okay. So this procedure is incorrect. Did you notice the barrel? It's moving. The barrel should be stuck on its place. Okay, so after cleaning our gun, now let's assemble. Okay. And next, don't forget your safety, trigger safety. Okay. And make sure these 3 screws are lined up together. Then close it. Okay. Now let's close this screw. And then remove this screw, and let's put the original one. Okay, that's the 2 tips that I'd like to share it with you. See you guys again for my next video.